Hello everyone, I'm Chris Erickley and welcome to your Friday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. Tahquitz Assistant Principal Erin Henton has pleaded not guilty to sex charges stemming from her arrest on Wednesday in Hemet. I'm joined now on the phone by Press Enterprise reporter Daryl Sanchi. Daryl, you were in the court during her arraignment earlier this afternoon. What exactly happened?
Well, the court appearance was a pretty routine matter. The suspect enters a plea, the judge determines bail, things like that, and then they set further proceedings. This session lasted about 10 minutes. There were other defendants for other cases in there, and there were a few apparent family members, or in some cases there were people who had worked with this woman before who were present. The defendant, Erin Renee Henton, did not really say much during the appearance. She answered yes to judges' questions, setting dates for further procedures, and she spoke with her attorney quietly before the session began and pretty much leaned against the side wall of the courtroom sitting in the jury box as the proceedings went on, and had pretty much a glum expression on her face during the session.
She's currently being held on $1 million bail. What can we expect how things will go now from here?
Okay, well, the first thing that happens is her attorney said he just received evidence today, and so he hasn't really had time to prepare his case. We will be back in court on April the 15th for a hearing in which the judge will decide whether the bail should be reduced from $1 million to something less than that. Following that session on May the 23rd, they have what they call a settlement conference. That's, again, a routine procedure in cases, even misdemeanor cases, in which the attorneys see if there's some kind of a agreement they can reach. It may be evidence-wise, it may be a plea, and then if they do not reach some kind of an agreement in that, and sometimes that occurs several times, they will schedule a preliminary hearing at which the judge would decide whether there's evidence enough to go to trial.
All right, Daryl, thanks for that update. That does it for our Friday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. Be sure to join us right here on PE.com for the latest on this story.